Hello everyone. Today I am going to take seminar in data structures. Definition. Data structure is the representation of the logical relationship existing between individual elements of data. In other words, a data structure is a way of organizing all data elements, items that considers not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. Introduction. Data structures affects the design of both structural and functional aspects of a program. Program equals to algorithm plus data structure. You know that algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a particular function. Classification of data structure. These data structures are normally divided into broad categories: primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. In primitive data structure, we have integer, float, character, and pointer. In non-primitive data structure, we have linear list and non-linear list. In linear list, array, linked list, stack, queue. In non-linear list, graph and trees. Primitive data structure. There are basic structures and directly operated upon by the machine instructions. In general, there are different representation on different computers. Integer, floating point number, character constants, string constants, pointers, etc. are fall in this category. Non-primitive data structures. Lists, queue, stack, tree, graph are the examples of a non-primitive data structures. The design of an efficient data structure must take operators to be performed on the data structures. In non-primitive data structures, the most commonly used operation on data structures are broadly categorized into following types: create, selection, updating, searching, sorting, merging, destroy, or delete. Arrays. The elements of arrays will always be stored in the consecutive, that is, continuous memory location. The number of elements that can be stored in an array, that is, the size of array or its length, is given by the following equation. That is, upper bound plus lower bound plus 1. For the above array, it would be 9 minus 0 plus 1 equals to 10, where 0 is the lower bound of an array and 9 is the upper bound of an array. Array can always be written or through loop. If we read a one-dimensional array, it required one loop. For reading other, for writing the array. Arrays are insertion of new elements, deletion of required elements, modification of an element, merging of an elements. And arrays. List. A list is nothing but linear linked list. Can be defined as a collection of variable number of data items. Lists are most commonly used non-primitive data structures. An element of list must contain at least two fields, one for storing data or information and other for storing address of next element. As you know, for storing address, we have special data structure of list. The address must be pointer type. And thank you for this opportunity. Bye.